So the documents that are very important to have besides your will are going to be your living will and your healthcare designation. A living will is basically where you set out what your wishes are should you become permanently incapacitated and or in a vegetative state. This is typically referred to when you are in a catastrophic accident and you need to be disconnected or not disconnected. There's very specific things that need to happen in order for that to take place. And if you have a living will, you yourself are establishing exactly what you want to see happen. A healthcare designation is the document that designates who is the person in charge of medical decisions for you if you are temporarily incapacitated. So if you're in a car accident and you need surgery, your healthcare designee would be the person authorized to make those decisions on your behalf and speak to the doctors about those decisions that are being made. The other document, which is also important, is a power of attorney. A power of attorney is basically the permission, the written permission that you are giving to another person to be able to carry out anything that involves you. So if you are in a state where you can't get to the bank, your power of attorney would be able to handle transactions on your behalf as if they are you with these documents. The typical documents that I prepare together with your will are your living will and your healthcare designation. And these are typically the most important, and I have them together with the wills as a package. What you want to make sure that you are taking into consideration when these documents are drafted is who you want in charge of making these decisions. This is most important when the people that are closest to you maybe are not blood relatives and or are not legal spouses, such as significant others or best friends. These are the people that you want making decisions. You have to make sure that you have the documents that will give them those powers.